If you are new to the channel, subscribe our channel for latest update. Press the bell icon. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm AutoCAD faculty of ngcc software technologies. So here I'm going to show you from start to end of using architecture menu and modify menu, and it is going to be a very useful video for the Revit beginners, or else one can know all about Revit in this villa project videos. So I'm going to upload this project as a part of two videos. Here I'm first going to, as this is my AutoCAD file which I have uploaded in my previous video, and there I have told in my video how to load the AutoCAD file in a Revit file. So here, according to the plan, we have to place all the columns, walls and furniture here, and I'm going to sketch here the stage. So now just go first I'm going to start with columns. So here I'm loading the column by going in insert, load family, and then here structural columns. So select structural columns, and here the type of column is concrete and rectangular column. So open it, and now go to the families in project browser and select the structural column. Click on positive, and then what we have loaded is concrete rectangular, and drag out one. Edit according to your size or dimensions. So here my column size is 8 by 8, so I'm going to provide here first duplicate name of it, 8 by 8. Now here I'm providing the size 8 inches breadth, and as the height is also 8 inches. Okay. So here I have placed. Now I'm going it is not, I as you see I got a message from the Revit, so it is not in the label, so I'm not able to see here where I want to provide, so it is below the label, so I have to make it according to the label. So here I'm going to make it from level 1 to level 2, and the base offset should be 0. So here it is level 1 to level 2, and now here I'm going to give the names to the levels according to their so here I have given it ground level, GR level shortcut, and this is my first floor, and now I have to create two more levels as second floor and terrace. So I'm going to create two more level. Before this I'm going to provide your size as 10 feet 6 inches, as my house height is 10 feet, but with the floor with roof it is going to become 10 feet 6 inch, as the size of roof will be 6 inches. And here also by pressing LL create a level and give a size as 10 feet 6 inches, and change its name as second floor. And now I'm going to create another level as terrace level. So press LL, and here I have created a level, select on it, and also this level is also of 10 feet 6 inches, and now change its name as terrace. So here I'm changing its size, a name terrace. Now we have completed with creating levels in the east side, and now we are going to road level. So here is the column which we are not able to see, and I have pressed here SD shaded for the visuality of columns. So here I'm making them accurately placed, and you can use to move this column we can use this arrow which are provided on the keyboard. And now I'm going to copy this column on the place of all the column, whether it is of different sizes, but I'm going to copy this same, and then after that I'm going to change their sizes. So here also I'm copying them, and keep the constraint off, as we have to copy them in multiple directions, and it is not possible in Revit. uh, by by keeping constraint on, we cannot able to provide here the columns in any direction. So here also, wherever you required columns, provide them. So by this, you get to know how to load column and how to place them, and how to create labels. So we have, till here we have created 3 topics. So here I'm going to change the size of the column. So as it is 8 by 4, so I'm going to make it 8 by 4, and now changing here 4 as 4 inches. Okay, now I have to rotate it. Take You can type arrow, or else you can take it from there, modify menu, and here it is rotated. And now this is the perfect size for here. Just make them accurate on their place. So after changing all the columns according to the requirement of sizes and placing them accurately, we are going to provide walls, and the walls should be in a manner. So I'm going to show you what is the correct manner of placing wall in these type of projects. So this is the column of 4 by 4. As if you provide or edit a column for once by making a duplicate 4 by 4, you can just change it by going to the shutter there. It doesn't require again and again go to edit type duplicate and change its size as 4 by 4, again 4 by 4, again 4 by 4. You can just change it from shutter, as it is saved once created. Till here I have been completed with my columns, and now I'm going to create walls. So here is the column left out, and now I'm going to copy. It is also 4 by 4. Now going to walls, take a wall, and here by default there is a 8-inch wall always. So here I'm going to draw a wall, but not from column to column, just in between one column to another column on a wall. Same here also. So like this. And why we are providing it incompletely, I'll show you in a while. Just wait. After, so here I'm providing all the walls, and no need to leave the place for doors and windows. You can just continue with the doors and windows. So here I'm going to provide 8 inches size wall to the 4-inch wall also, because as like I have done with column, first I have provided of same size and then I have changed the size. Like that I'm going to change the size of wall there after providing all the walls. Now after clicking on one wall, I'm going to right click on it, right click on two sides of that circle and disallow join. It is we should have to do this because to avoid the joining of walls, as the walls get inserted into the column till they center to the mid of the column, and automatically, so it is going to done automatically all the things, the one wall join to another wall. So avoiding this type of problem, we are going to disallow join. So click on a wall and right click on it. So here is a separate wall between two columns, and I'm going to create a different wall from one column to another column, and then click on a wall, right click on a circle, disallow join on both the sides, and we are going to follow same procedure for all the walls. And here I have to change this to 4 inches. So here there is no size of 4 inches in generic, so I have to just create it. I think I'm not going to get it here, so edit type, duplicate, and here I'm going to change its name, generic 4 inches, and go to edit. Oh, go to edit, and here change the size as 4 inches. Okay, and just automatically get changes. And now right click on circle and disallow join here too, and select this again, and no need to edit type, just select 4-inch wall which we have created right now. Here also generic 4-inch, here also. So just go to the shutter and select, and you can select all the 4 inches wall whatever they are of 8 inches at a time, and then change them at a time as 4 inches. So here it is correct. Now I have to change this wall into 6 inches wall. No, okay, it is of 4 inches, so 4 inches again, and here also. So even I have made a video on types of walls. I have given there all the information about walls, all the knowledge of walls in the Revit. So there are types of walls. I have already said you block wall, generic wall, curtain wall, and I have showed about curtain wall in my apartment project videos, and there is a separate video for the walls in Revit. So here I'm doing the same procedure for all the walls, disallow join. Don't forget to do this to avoid the joining of all the walls in columns. So here for that wall I have just to click on one side, as it is there is a chance it just get connected to the column on one side because the other side is empty. So that's why wherever you need, just there you have to disallow join. Whatever the walls you have disallowed join once, if you right click on it, it shows you allow join. So you just have an idea that it is already done with disallow join. So we have done with all the walls. Now I have taken your trim, and then I'm going to extend this by using trim. Click on the target and click on the object whatever you want to extend. So here also, so these walls after we have keeping them on disallow join, so they are not automatically insert in the center of the column, or else you can check that they used to be insert in the column if you didn't disallow join them. So here in this video we have covered with columns and walls, placing of columns and walls in the in this project. I'm going to continue this project in my next video with doors, walls and furniture, staircase. We are left with so whatever the wall we have created, we have done with that, and the left out walls we are going to create them. So here we have forgot to adjust this column and providing the wall there. Yes, and the wall we have left. Here also all is out and the adjustment on the column. here I have to see I'm going to change it in 4 inches. Boom. Now it's okay. Extend. So here the height of all the walls was 20 feet, so I have changed it to 10 feet. Now here also somewhat left out, so I'm going to change them also as 10 feet. So now go to ground level, and here are some extensions are left out. And here also there is one more. So thank you for watching. We have done till here with columns and wall. We are going to continue in next video with the another commands and things.